Alright, the button phone Nokia TA 1174 right there. And for some reason, this person says it has very difficult buttons to press, more so the frequently pressed one. You hit a button and minutes pass and you're like, did I press it? And you have to return with enormous strength to be able to get a character out of the thing. So let me just show you what it is doing before I proceed to attempt to repair it. And it feels like it's going to be a quick one. Watch with me till the end. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. I am waiting for it to boot up. So if you're now so used to the Qualcomm 8 Gen 2, 8 Gen 3, I mean, you could feel the pain here. Now let's try hash. Okay, that's star response, 0 response, hash response, 7, okay, 8 is a bit okay, 9 is a bit okay, 4 is okay, 5, 6, 3, I need to dig in, 2 is okay. I think the less used, the more responsive it is, and the more used, the less responsive it is. Now let's dig right in. First, we remove the back cover, and please remember to switch off the phone before you attempt to, get out the battery. And I think the power button itself looks to be, for energy. I think right now my finger is strong, and we got it there to go apart. So let's prep our screwdriver, which is the type. I hope it is this, and if it is not, how sad that is. And that means I will have to kill some time looking for a screw that perfectly fits right in here. I suppose this should do, but from the feedback I get, it seems to be objecting. Anyway, first of the many is out, and second of the many is out. I mean, by many I mean 4. Alright, come with me. I prefer to show you how I open it and how I go to it. But in a nutshell, this is what is running in my head. I get inside and I clean the gap between the inside and the outside. So opening it, we need to get right between there, and here is where my long nails come in handy. And that's the reason why occasionally they tend to be tainted with dirt. Now I see water there. These guys are really watering this thing. This is sad and unbecoming of them. So at this point I need to remove the SIM cards, which I hadn't, and for some reason I have to squeeze this down and pull that out. Okay, I am rushing, hoping that the camera does not get me off guard, because I need to be done by the time we are out of here. I'll take that out, and alright, it should come out, and then we have that oily mess that we have there. Now I need TP to first wipe this off. This is absurd, and I think I'm going to charge this case for negligence. I mean, that is unethical. Now we've picked that out, so next order of business is for me to bring isopropyl alcohol and wipe it. Then we're going to scrape it. Now where are we isopropyl alcohol? Where are you? There you are. Let me just measure a bottle top full of you and bring it here, right there. Now this is just for me to deal with the oily substance. Okay, my isopropyl alcohol is shifting to a very dangerous position. Alright, so this is that, and then for here I don't think I'm going to do much with it, and here I'm just going to use the scraping to help me around. So this is a stunt and thing that I have noticed, and I will help greatly with this. If I had scoring pad, I would just use that, but right now I'm going to go key by key, doing this, scratching it. Normally it's the outside border and the inner border, like that, and I'm not going to suffer the pain of watching me do all of this. I'll simply return after I'm done with all. Sure, I'm almost done, remaining with the 2 and therefore let me just show you what I'm doing. Each of them I was making about 24 passes, and making sure that it's as shiny as can be, because I am also visually paying attention, making sure the inner dot is polished, and also the outer dot. Now that that's done, next thing is to deal with this. So this one we're going to deal with the center, and then the edges of this right here, and let me do that for all of them. So I've gone all the way and I'm back down, scraping at the center and on the edges, the ridges that suspend the center of the pad. So when you press it clicks. Now when we place it back, we need to align that hole with that, this and that. Therefore you